Shop notes for March 24th, 2022 at 9:35 a.m. and it is a chilly 42 degrees outside. Chilly morning. I haven't seen the cardinal yet, but he's out there somewhere. I did, however, come across this poem by Hafez, a 14th century Persian poet. You know 14th century Persian poetry, right? She responded, "The birds' favorite songs you do not hear, for their flamboyant music takes place when their wings are stretched above the trees, and they are smoking the opium of pure freedom. It is healthy for the prisoner to have faith that one day he will again move about wherever he wants, feel the wondrous grit of life, less structured, find all wounds, debts stamped, canceled, paid. I once asked a bird, 'How is it that you fly in this gravity of darkness?' She responded, 'Love lifts me.'"